Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where you can create a very high quality do follow, a profile backlink and a commenting backlink in this website. And this is a really high quality website, so where you guys will consider to create backlinks. So this website name is udrpsearch.com and this is a dashboard of this website. So before the started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, this website domain rating is 62, and according to Moj, this website domain authority is 47. Spam score is only 6%. And if I can show you this website traffic, so according to similar web, this website having around 4.5k monthly traffic, and the mostly traffic from India, USA, Pakistan, Vietnam, and UK. So overall static of this website. So now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the sign up button. Here you can type your company name, then your username, and then you guys will put your password. Here you can add your email address. Then after you can verify the captcha. After you can click on the create my account. Sorry, I already created account on this. I just forget. So what I gonna to mention here. So there you can put your full name, DML training, and username should be the DML training. And then you can choose the password. After you can click on this button, and you see our account is created. Now you can click on the login button. You can fill the detail. After click on the login, and you see our account is created. Now you can click on the my account. Go to the my info. There you can put your name and your location, your company. So company name is DML training. Then after that you can put your website URL. Here you can add your email address. So which email address you can add here? So you can add your company contact sales email, not which email are you using to creating the profile. You can add your actual email. So like that kind of email. Then after that you can add your company description. This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. Between 500 characters. Once you guys will complete these things, then after we can upload a profile picture. Once you guys will complete these things, so make sure you can make it publicly, make the public box, check the public box. So when you can check this box, your information are visibly, publicly visible. And once you guys will complete these things, then after you can click on the save button, and I can show you how you can see your profile landing page URL. So you can see this is, I can provide this URL in the description section. So what you need to do, you can change only your username here. So let me change a DML training. Let's we can open in incognito. If I can going to open here, I guess there is some happening. I guess this is my username. If I can paste here. I made some mistake on my username. So let me copy this URL, and if I can open in incognito. So you can see this is my profile. This is a company name, your location, company, and the URLs. So if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no reference. So today we created a profile in this website. Now I can show you how you can create your commenting backlink in this website. So simply you can search your keyword here, and then after You can open any thread. Like you can see there is a comment option. Click on this. There you can leave your comment. So if you're wanting, so you can type something. Either you can just paste your website URL. Let me consider the different URL. You can paste here. After you can click on the submit button. So your comment has been queued for the moderation. So once the moderation team will review, they might approve your comment. Okay. So overall, this is the process to how you can create your backlink in this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys will share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys are wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section where you guys will connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.